What are environmental variables? These are set of variables for your shell environment. Applications and command line tools use them to determine their configuration. You have to know how to view and rate environmental variables in Bash. The command you need to know is env. When you use the env command, you list the whole of environmental variables that are available. That is env, and it lists the whole of environmental variables that are available in your computer. To see a single environmental variable, use the echo command, and we must add a $sign signifying that it's actually a variable. For example, echo $sign path, sorry, it must be in capital letter, and here it lists the environmental variable, the location of that variable. Also you can also echo shell, and it lists you the location of the environmental variable, and echo user, mistake I do, and it lists you the user, or let me say the owner of the computer. That is Shibu. You must ask him, why did he show anything here, although it's a mistake? Now echo is used to list a variable, and this shows that it's a variable, and since there is no variable as USR, it didn't list anything, and also the same thing here. To create environmental variables, we use the export command. For example, export, I'm going to use var, or let me say var1 equals to this is bash, and this is our environmental variable that when we press enter, we have created an environmental variable. And when we want to view the environmental variable, we use echo command $sign var1. I see this is bash. You can also see this in the env command. When we look for it in the env command, we shall also see this is bash. Somewhere here, var1, this is bash. Now what you need to know that this is temporary. This var1 I created is temporary in the sense that when we open another terminal, the var1, or let me say the variable will disappear.